Hop into the 2016 Ram 1500. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, bed liner, V6 cylinder engine, satellite radio, keyless start, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. Relax and enjoy getting the job done right in the strong and dependable Ram 1500. Come in for a test drive.